Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so the app can reinitialize cleanly. Force stop Turbo VPN, clear cache, and then reopen. This removes stale temporary data that makes the connection busy. Once done, toggle your network, turn Wi-Fi off and on or switch to mobile data, and confirm basic browsing works. Make sure you're not on restrictive Wi-Fi with captive portals. This first round eliminates app hangs and basic network blocks, so the VPN can attempt a fresh handshake. Next, you perform the deeper network reset and reconfigure the VPN profile. Put the device in airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a new IP allocation. Once disabled, test connectivity. Then open Turbo VPN, remove any saved servers or profiles, and add them again so the app rebuilds its tunnel config. Make sure the app has permission for VPN and background data. Without them, the service stays busy trying to bind. These steps resolve conflicts in saved profiles and OS network bindings. For the last stage, reboot the device so all OS network services restart cleanly. Then launch Turbo VPN before other heavy apps to let it claim the network stack. If one server remains busy, select a different server or protocol in the app. This forces a different route and often succeeds. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Turbo VPN and confirm your system has the latest updates. Troubleshooting tip: if the busy state remains, test a different VPN app to isolate whether the issue is the app or your network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.